dey that day, na so I come see VGN come say Kabiyesi dey call me. I say me with the person no fight. Wetin I come do where Kabiyesi dey call me? Na so I come enter house follow dem. Come carry where dem come show am one thing for the phone. E come be hotspot wey e on for Monday pod. Na him dem use dey call. Na him come say no be him o, na Monday pod na him hotspot for.
What is your name, sir?
My name is Ejiofor.
What happened? When were you in the Ilewe? What brought you here?
What brought me here be say on 2010 na him I come Ijebu-Igbo to come do farm work. Na farm work I dey do, cocoa farm. So since that 2 time I dey Ijebu-Igbo I dey do work. So e come happen this year around kind June. So before that time something of March na him Ifeanyi bring one phone come for my camp say he wan sell. Me I say I no buy. So he can go to my brother wey dem dey call Echibeze Ako. He go sell the phone. So me now I come travel go home. As me I come back around kind June. So I dey that day, na so I come see VGN come say Kabiyesi dey call me. I say me with the person no fight. Wetin I come do where Kabiyesi dey call me? Na so I come enter house follow dem. As we dey go now, we come reach road. Like we come meet police people. Na so dem carry me put for police people. Dem come carry me go VGN office. Dem reach there, dem come dey ask this my in-law Eke Peter because he come with me, dey work with me with the Monday pod. That was who they work with me. But Eke Peter na my wife.
Is working for. Okay, go on.
So Eke Peter na my wife sister, no brother. So they come dey ask am say where his phone? He carry his phone give them. So they say when the second phone, he say he no use another phone again. So I tell them say the phone when they use na me buy for herself. Say he no get another phone. They start to debate am. So from there they come carry where they come show am one thing for the phone. E come be hotspot wey e on for Monday pod. Na him dem use dey call. Na him come say no be him o, na Monday pod na him hotspot for. Dem come ask Monday pod say yeah na him hotspot for. But the person wey give am the phone make him delete na Ako Chibeze. So now and that time dem never carry Ako. They start to find Ako. As dem come catch Ako now, Ako come say yes. Say na him give am the phone make him delete the picture wey dey there. So na wetin carry me come Ilewe be that o.
But now, how do you know Ifeanyi himself? Have you been relating before?
I know Ifeanyi because Ifeanyi is my town person. It's the same village, is Ebonyi State.
What village is that? Which
Amonda. Amonda local government. Ebonyi State.
Okay.
Amonda. So we be the same village. So I know am. So as him come our camp there, say no, he say as if he come my side, he say he doing fish pond this thing, he dey dig fish pond. Na wetin dey tell me if he come my side. Like that the way he bring the phone sef. He say na fish pond he dey do. I no know say na kidnap. Say na fish pond. He say dem dey dig fish pond. I no know say na kidnapper him dey do. He's not
here. Okay. That's the second Ifeanyi they never see. Okay.
So na so they are taking enter Ilewe.
When did you come to this state? When have you been living in this state?
Na since 2010 ma.
2010. What is your name once again?
Ejiofor.
Your wife know you are here?
Yes.
You have wife?
Yes.
What of your kids?
All of us we are in there.
They know you are here, right?
Well, they live in Okowa Talaga village in Yosho.
What do you want government to do?
Make they show me mercy because I get family, all my family, my children. Since when I was here, now almost 3 months now. I'm going to 3 months now. I don't know as my children, my wife, the way they take living. And farm work what they do. That farm work what they do now. My wife now, you know, if you take care of the farm, now cocoa farm, make it they have for mercy on me. I beg them. Me, I don't know anything about the kidnapping. I no follow them. I don't know anything.